G'day folks, welcome to tonight's show. Yes, as you can see, I'm still not on the bike, but we'll talk about that later. Bert, hit the intro, let's get going. Cheers. So, as I said before, still no bike, still heading to the doctors, still got some results to receive, so there's not much I can do in that space, but I do need to work to pay all the doctor's bills, of course. So I've been in Hobart for a few days with the conference down here. Do people still go to conferences these days? Put a note in the comments if you do work-related conferences. I'd be really interested in whether or not people still actually attend these things. I've got some footage of setting up at the conference, as much of it as of course I can show you, because I can't be putting the brand name all over the place. But I will take you for a walk. We'll have a look around the deck area at the casino, Wrest Point Casino, sorry, for those that don't know, which is the Sandy Bay here in Hobart. Let's go and have a wander around and see what we can find. Let's go. Not a bad view for a conference. Let me take you out, give you a look. The Derwent River. she's fresh. I'm glad I got my Tassie tuxedo on. Woof. Well, thanks for coming along today, folks. Another short and sweet one. I've got to go and get ready for this conference. Hopefully we'll have some news on the back injury next video. I'll let you know where we're at with all that. But until then, we'll see you next time. Cheers.